She got that boot stomp, stomp, doing that do-si-do. She got that honky-tonk going out of control. She got them cowboys jaws all hitting the floor. All I know is this ain't her first rodeo. She bucking like a bronco when she gets there. Whoa!
Let's learn 8-second ride. It's choreographed by Banescu and Katie Robinson. It is a 32 count 2-wall intermediate level line dance with 3 tags. Tag 1 is going to happen on wall 2 after 14 counts, and then you will restart the dance. Tag 2 is going to happen on the ends of walls 4 and 8. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about all 3 tags, and then we're going to go around and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn 8-second ride. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to scuff our right heel forward. You're going to stomp your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to stomp your left foot to the left side, but don't take weight onto your left foot. You're now going to swivel your left heel in towards the right, your left toe in towards the right, and your left heel into the right. We're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our left shoulder as we do a small hop together with both feet. And then you're going to pop both knees up by lifting your heels up off the ground and bending your knees. And then you're going to recover onto your left foot. We're now going to do a 3/8 sailor turn over our right shoulder. You're going to start by making an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to make a 1/4 turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. And you're going to press your right toe forward using the ball of your right foot with a slightly bent knee. You want to make sure that your body is slightly leaning into the ball of your foot. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're scuffing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Section 2, you're going to recover back onto your left foot, and as you recover back, you're going to hit your right knee up and you're going to slap your right knee with your right hand. You're now going to step back with your right foot, and you're going to mostly be on your toe to start, and you're going to start a body roll. As you finish that body roll, you want to settle back onto the heel. So we're starting with our body roll. You start with your upper body, you're rolling forward, and then you're going to recover and sit down onto your right foot. That's when your heel will hit the ground. We're now going to do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right together, left forward. And then we're going to shuffle forward with our right foot. Step right forward, left together, right forward. Let's try that with some counts. Our press was 1. You're coming back for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto our right, and we're going to do a quarter sailor step over our left shoulder, make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot. Step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side, but slightly forward. You're now going to take your right heel, place it forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right, and you're going to point your right toe to the right side, but we're going to lunge by bending our knee, and then we're going to drag our foot into the left and do a small hitch up with our right knee. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're doing your rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. Coming out of that half turn, you're going to do a full turn, turning over your left shoulder. You're going to make a half turn, stepping back with your right to face 12 o'clock. You're going to do another half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're going to end the dance by stepping slightly forward with our right and touching our left next to our right, stepping slightly forward with your left and touch your right next to your left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on our left foot. We would have just done that small hitch up with our right knee. You're doing your step half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can add some extra fun into those steps. If you would kind of like want to roll into them, you totally can add some extra sass. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. Weights on your left foot. We're starting with our scuff. Scuff, stomp, stomp. Heel, toe, heel. Together, knee, pop. 3/8 sailor press. Recover, slap. Back roll. Coaster step. Shuffle forward. Rock. Recover, quarter sailor step. Heel step, lunge, drag, small hitch. Step, half pivot, half, step, touch, step, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're scuffing your heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the first tag restart. It's going to be on the back wall. You're going to dance the first 14 counts of the dance, which is up to your coaster step. Then we're going to talk about how to make it change back to the back wall. Weight will be on your left foot. We're going to dance the first 14 counts starting with your scuff. Scuff, stomp, out, out. Heel, toe, heel, eighth together. Knee, pop, 3/8 sailor step. Press, slap and hitch. Back roll with your coaster step. And right here, instead of shuffling forward to finish that section, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and you're going to drag your left toe into your right, taking weight onto your left, ready to start the dance all over again, facing 6 o'clock. So that tag count, You'll do your coaster step, and then you're going to do that quarter turn. It's 1, 2. And then you're ready to start the next wall all over again. That will become wall 3. You'll dance wall 3 all the way through without anything extra. You'll then dance wall 4 all the way through, returning back to the back wall. You'll end with your step touches to end the dance, and then you're going to add on this tag. So I'm going to do it to face the front so that you can see it, but know that it happens to the back wall. Weight is on your left foot. This will be the tag that happens on the end of walls 4 and 8. We're going to do a step to the right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. You'll now be at 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. You'll be at 6 o'clock. You're now going to quickly make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly forward, but to the side. Now, you have some choices for the endings. If you can applejack, you're going to do an applejack to the right and the left. So your left heel, right toe will go to the right. Then your right heel, left toe will go to the left. If you cannot do applejacks, when you get to this point, your weight is going to be split. So you have weight on both feet. You can stomp right, stomp left. Now to end it, you can either do a hip to the right, a hip to the left, or you could do a reverse body roll, which means you're starting from the bottom, and you could pretend like you're holding your belt buckle, and you can roll up. You could do a hip roll if you wanted. You could do the bend and dip back up. That ending is up to you, whatever you feel comfortable doing. For the purposes of the demo, I did a stomp, stomp, and a roll up. But you can do whatever one feels comfortable for you. So now let's try that tag all the way through with steps and counts. So we're stepping to the right. So it's right, quarter, left, quarter, right, quarter, left, quarter, side, stomp, right, left, and then your hips or your roll up. When you end that roll up, you want to make sure, or the hip rolls, that your weight is on your left foot so that you can start the dance all over again. So now let's practice it to the back with counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're stepping to the side. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now your apple jacks would be 5 and 6 and, or your stomps are 5, 6, and then your hips or your roll up 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now we're going to go around. We're going to do 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice all 3. I'm going to do the stomp in the hips, and you can choose whichever one works best for you. Weight starting on your left foot. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Starting with your scuff with your right. So it's scuff, stomp, out, out. Heel, toe, heel, 8th together, knee, pop, 3/8, sailor, press, recover, slap, back, roll, coaster, step, shuffle, forward, rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, heel, step, point, drag with a hitch, step, half, pivot, half, half, step, touch, and we're now going to do 14 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Do your quarter for 7, 8. You're back at the 6 o'clock wall, ready to start wall 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of this wall, we're going to do our tag. Scuff, stomp, stomp. heel, toe, heel, 8 together, knee, pop, 3/8 sailor, press, hitch and slap, back roll, coaster, step, shuffle, forward, rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, heel, step, lunge, drag, hitch, step, half pivot, half, step, touch, do your tag, it's side, quarter, quarter. Now your stomp, right, left in your hips. You're now going to dance the next wall. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're doing your scuff, stomp, heel, toe, heel, together, knee, pop, 3/8 sailor, press, hitch and slap, back roll, coaster, step, shuffle, forward, rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, heel, step, lunge, drag, hitch, step, half pivot, half, step, touch, scuff, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of this wall, you are going to do your tag. So we're stomp, heel, toe, heel, together, knee, pop, 3/8 sailor, press, hitch and slap, back roll, coaster, step, shuffle, forward, rock, recover, and your quarter sailor, heel, step, point with the lunge, drag, hitch, step, half pivot, half. Now you're going to do your box. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, scuff, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn 8-second ride. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.